Hello and welcome. My name is Sira and I'm very excited and happy to be here today and to share a new lesson with you. And today, guess what? I'm going to sing a song for you. No, it's a joke. It's not the truth. Unfortunately, with my voice, maybe fortunately. So no me singing, but today I have on the board written lyrics to a very beautiful Ukrainian song, and this song is one of my favorite. Some of you asked me to share some songs in Ukrainian with you, so today is the day when I want us to read the words and to understand the meaning of this song. And if you will like it, I hope you will. After the lesson, anytime you want, just check on YouTube, maybe just enter the name of the song and just write "Пісня" in Ukrainian, and then you will get a lot of videos and with a song, with music, and you will listen. Please listen to it, and then I hope you will like it. So because just we have the words on the board, so you don't know if the song nice or not. So let's get started. In Ukrainian, a song is пісня. Пісня. Here you have пісня. Пісня. In plural, пісні. The ending "і" instead of "я". So one song, пісня. In plural songs, пісні. Пісня, пісні. So here's the beginning of the song, and actually it's the chorus of the song. So here is перлина. Україна. На весь світ одна єдина. And then again you repeat these two lines, so it's like twice you need to think. Sing. Oh, what's happening? Перлина, Україна. На весь світ одна єдина. Перлина is a pearl. Перлина, Україна. Pearl, Ukraine. На весь світ. На весь світ. For the whole world. На весь світ. Одна єдина. The only one. I want to sing when I should not sing. Перлина, Україна. На весь світ одна єдина. And then again. Перлина, Україна. На весь світ одна єдина. Okay, now let's read the first. How to say this in English? The first verse, I think. I really don't know. Okay, the first part, as we have to. So if you know how to say that in English, please write me down in the comment section. So let's read. З небес святих прозоро синіх упала зоряна сльоза і утворилася перлина. Ім'я у неї Україна. З небес. From the heaven. Z is from. Z небес. From the heaven, небес, небеса. Святих, holy, святих. Прозоро, transparent. Прозоро, синіх, blue. З небес, святих, прозоро, синіх. З небес, святих, прозоро, синіх. Okay, the next line. Упала зоряна сльоза. Упала. Fallen, зоряна. Зоряна, starry, star. Сльоза, a tear. Упала зоряна сльоза. Сльоза, a tear. І утворилася перлина. And the pearl, перлина, was formed. І and. І утворилася перлина. Ім'я у неї Україна. Ім'я, a name, у неї. If to translate literally word by word, so it's in her, but it means her name, Україна. Ukraine. Ім'я у неї Україна. Now let's read together. З небес святих прозоро синіх упала зоряна сльоза і утворилася перлина. Ім'я у неї Україна. Okay, the next part of the song. Блакитне небо, жовте поле. Україно, моя доле. Хлібом, сіллю ти гостинна. Ти і я одна родина. Okay, now let's translate. Блакитне небо. Блакитне, light blue. Небо, sky. Жовте поле, yellow field. And you know, by the way, that in Ukraine, or Ukraine has a flag, or Ukrainian flag is blue, and the blue color symbolizes light blue, peaceful sky, and down is yellow, so blue and yellow means the field of wheat, жовте поле, yellow field. So peace and prosperity in general. Ukrainian flag, and flag is прапор. Прапор. Український прапор має два кольори, has two colors. Окей, Україно, моя доле. Україно, Ukraine, my fate. Хлібом сіллю ти гостинна. With bread and salt you are hospitable. And ти і я одна родина. You and me, one family. Родина, also a family, as maybe you know of сім'я. But сім'я is when we're talking about mother, father, about parents, about sisters and brothers. But родина is an extended family when we also are talking about grandparents and maybe uncles, aunts, cousins. So this is родина, also a family. You and me, one family. Now let's read it again. Блакитне небо, жовте поле. Україно, моя доле. Хлібом, сіллю ти гостинна. Ти і я одна родина. So please check the music to this song and to learn this song by heart. Sing it. It's a really beautiful song. I hope you will do that and write me down do you like this song, whether you like the music. So waiting for your comments. See you very soon. Bye bye.